a little bit more because I like to be a little bolder. So we'll wing it out just a tiny bit. So again, starting from the inside, so it's all one nice smooth line. And by the way, this is a brush tip, which normally I like felt, but I think this one converted me. It's so refined and I have so much more control. So I'm just gonna go in with my lash line, making it bolder, making it thicker. And I like that it builds on itself, so it gets darker as you apply. Gentle. Oh, I get scared of this part. Wow, I'm terrible at winging, and this one is making it so easy. Perfect. So now we've got a nice little wing and it's all really thick coated, so that way no matter what you do all night, it's gonna stay, your eyelashes will stay put on the magnetic eyeliner.